Oh. Oh.
101.
Hey everybody, how's it going? We're going to get some random packs selected, so we're going to turn these lights on and the horns. Let's turn them up real loud. Got some sports stuff. 90s Pro Set. 90s Fleer football. The LSU. Notre Dame. We got some, 91? Skybox. Series 2. 92-93 Stadium Club Tops. We got new kids on the block. Seeing people really like that. Got a Tops WWE 2016 Then and Forever. And Casper, the movie. A couple cards there. Starship Troopers, the movie. A few cards. And then we'll do a Desert Storm. I believe that's a 90 or a 91 Tops product with a sticker. We're building that puzzle. So, we're going to go back in order like this. I want to thank you guys for showing up. Please subscribe, leave a like, turn on those post notifications. Let's get this thing going. I'm not sure what we're going to pull, who the big guys are. If you have any idea, let me know in the comments. Thank you very much. Let's get this thing going. Opens like butter. Randall Cunningham there on the top before he was a Viking. Super Bowl 4. Michael Coffer, Al Naga, James Brooks, Mike Coffer, Stephone Page, Brian Millard, Pat Swilling, Tony Casillas, David Little, Scott Radestiuk, Bob Grace, Joe Boogle, Brad Edelman, and the Cunningham. I don't think there was really anything massive there. But let's go to the Fleer 90. 90 Fleer football. Here we go. Telchik, Keith Millard, Stoyankovich, Schroeder, Carl Banks, Merrill Hodge, Anderson, Thomas, Richt, Thomas, Taylor, Meads, Marshall, Folker, and Treadwell. I don't know. Let me know. I don't know who went to LSU, but we'll get a little collegiate collection here. Hamilton, Winston, Brad Davis, Billy Joe Booth, Toby Kistan. There's the Bernie Moore Stadium there. Roham and Dwayne Scales. Are any of those big hitters? Let me know. Thanks for checking it out. Leave a like. Notre Dame. Next pack here. I don't really know if we got any big hits yet, but Eddie Anderson from Notre Dame. Dick Arrington, Notre Dame. There's Red, old Red Sitko. Frank Leahy. Patulski, Walt Patulski. Fiesta Bowl, 89 Fiesta Bowl. First color one we had. Hey, another one. DeMural. And Ross Browner. Nice and shiny. I like it. I said this was 90-91. I'm not sure if that's correct. Yep, it's a 90 NBA property right there. Skybox. I'm not sure what a big hit in here would be. A 90? I think the 92, 93 was Shaq, so let's check it out for the big names. Opens like butter. Bill Cartwright. Greg Kite. Terry Porter. And Terry Teagle. John Bagley from Celtics. Tim Perry. Larry Brown. Michael Smith. Billy Thompson. Bobby Hansen. Jerry Reynolds. I don't know if we're getting anything crazy here. Kurt Rambis. Steve Johnson. Dana Barros. And Jack Sikma. Were any of those good? Let me know. I'm not sure about any of those players. Some of those names at the time I would have recognized, but none of them there. Stadium Club, 92-93 Series 1 basketball. Hoops, baby. Oh boy, these are all back and forth. Let's see if we got any golds. We did get one. Mutombo. Ron Anderson. Scott Hastings. Threat. Nick Anderson. Jack Haley. Kenny Smith. Doug West. Bill Cartwright. John Battle. Fred Roberts. Pete Chakut. And Muggsy Bogues. I don't know. New kids. Let's see what our poster is. Oh, there's our explanation so we know what's going on. I don't think I have that one, so that's good. There's the old crew by the railroad tracks. There they are in concert. A couple of them. Got Donnie and Danny. Everybody there. There's the crew. A rugby uniform and some top hats. Ooh, they're going to prom probably, huh? Very nice. There's that kid from Hook. Right? That's the kid from Hook. All right. Then, Now, Forever, Topps 2016. Get The Rock, Cena. Maybe we'll get a Sting. Eva Marie. Renee Young. Sheamus with the Mohawk. Bobby the Brain Heenan. Classic. There's Seth freaking Rollins and Big E. There's The Rock. Let's give that a little bit of love. He's a star. Star of the show, right? And the NXT Peyton Royce. Looks kind of like Becky Lynch. Alright. This one we're looking for the embossed gold insert. I still haven't opened one. Starship Troopers. Inkworks. There they are in the Walking Fortress. Oh, I don't think I got one. Oh, behind the scenes. There we go. That's cool. There's some artwork from a cartoon or something. Maybe concept work. There's Xander and Johnny. There he is getting stitched up in the back of the tank or whatever they call it. There's Johnny Rico. They sucked his brains out there. Diz and Rad Check. What a great movie. Casper. Got 6 cards. See if we get a Bill Pullman. There he is. Christina Ricci and Bill Pullman right off the top. Right off rip. I think we're going to get a Devin Sawa on this one. Ooh, old baseball glove. Ah, that damn realtor or whatever she was claiming to be. There he is. There's Dibby. Christina Ricci. I had a big crush on her back in that time. I think she's only like a year and a half older than I am. If you guys cared. Toasty! 8 trading cards and the sticker. We need to get that sticker. See if we can get the poster going. The puzzle poster. Let's check it out. Ooh, this one might be a good one. I don't think I have this one. No, I don't have this one. Great. I like it. I like it.
Here's my stupid old granny stick. Why would you break your iPhone? That's our channel, baby.
Let's see if I got it. I think we got, this is the first one. Yeah, so we got the boat. This is my hook starting out there. Haven't got very far. This one's finished. It's just a two-piecer back and front. There's most of that one there. I did have that. There's my American Gladiators. That one's finished. I need one piece for Joker. And this should be it here. Yep. Yep. So it should be right up here. Nope, right here. Yeah, right there was where that one should go. Looks like. What else do we got? We got the other one. We got a few missing there. Got the Batman. We're missing 3 for Batman. Dick Tracy. I'm just kind of starting out. I only got 5 of those. Oh, and then we can't go any further. Sunset on the F-14. Admiral Frank Kelso. A Mirage Fighter. USS the Amulet Fragile. Taken off on the F-18. Hawk Missile. There's our checklist. And Norman Schwarzkopf. 504th Infantry. I don't have this one. Great. I want to thank you guys for showing up. Like I said, leave a like, subscribe, share it. We'll see you in the next one. Peace. I'm out of here. Hey, thanks for showing up. Thanks for watching. If you're a subscriber, thank you the most. But if you're not, hit that subscribe button. It's easy. Always check out all these other videos. There's plenty of shorts as well. Something for everybody. For the most support, head over to Patreon. All of this stuff needs to get purchased. Just open it for your enjoyment as well as mine. But to throw back support to you guys, I give away monthly giveaways, larger and larger and larger, based on the tier that you throw your support back at me. Your name always is at the end of my content, and then you get all the access before any other YouTube viewer out there. So, thanks again for showing up. We'll see you in the next one. Peace, I'm out of here.